Hello, I am Lotalo Wycliff Henry, and today I want to talk to you about a significant issue that's affecting our community right here in Mukono. Every day, our markets and local food restaurants generate lots of organic waste. This waste often ends up in our streets, in our drainage channels, in our landfills, and this contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental pollution. But what if we could turn this issue into an opportunity? Introducing on-site composting. This innovative project is aimed at teaching people in markets and local food restaurants how to turn organic waste material into useful compost. The idea is very simple yet powerful. By composting organic waste right where it's generated, reduce the amount of waste going into landfills, into our streets. We decrease methane emissions and produce valuable compost that can be used to enrich our soils. This compost can then be used by local gardeners and farmers, promoting sustainable agriculture and closing the loop on organic waste. It's a win-win for our environment and our community. So join me as I take you on a journey towards making Mukono greener and having a more sustainable future. Designing the prototype for this project was a journey filled with creativity and collaboration. Let me take you through the process. We started with a simple idea. How can we efficiently compost organic waste on site at markets and local food restaurants? The first step was to sketch out different composting systems and identify the best material to use. Next, we experimented with various designs. We needed a system that was very easy to use, that was durable, and effective in composting organic waste quickly. After several iterations, we settled on a system of 3 bins. 1 bin for collection and 2 that are compost bins with ventilation for proper aeration. Once the design was finalized, we built our prototype. Our focus was on making it user-friendly, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their prior knowledge, would participate in the composting process. This prototype was then tested with actual organic waste from the markets as we monitored temperature. Through this process, we refined our design and made improvements based on our findings and recommendations, and these were made by various community members. It was a hands-on experience that taught us a lot about the details of on-site composting, the processes of turning organic materials into useful compost. Testing the prototype has been an eye-opening experience with incredible impact. Let me share what we've learned. First, since implementing our prototype, we've seen a significant reduction in the amount of organic waste, the heaps in our streets, especially in areas near our prototype. This has reduced the amount of organic waste that's taken to landfills, which not only reduces methane emissions, but also cuts down on waste management costs. The compost produced has been a game changer in our test garden, and there are signs of improved soil health and better crop yields. We have found that maintaining the right moisture and aeration is crucial in the effective composting. We've also learned to balance the green and brown materials to speed up the process and avoid unpleasant odors. We've learned that many in Mukono are ignorant about the effects of waste pollution and the possible ways of managing it. We've also learned the importance of community engagement. The trainings and support that we've given to those who have tested our prototype has helped them and their feedback has been valuable in refining our approach. The success of this prototype has inspired me to expand the project. The plan is to install more composting stations, reaching out to more markets and local food joints. We are planning to use a compost design with unincorporated mixer for those markets that are really busy and big. Burglar proofing of composting sessions will also be done, especially in those areas that have security concerns and risks. The journey has shown us that with innovation, community effort, we can create a sustainable solution to manage organic waste and improve our environment. Thank you, Limitless Solferino Academy, for empowering me to go on this walk and this journey. Let's compost, grow, and thrive together.